Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Vivembo 118 piece toolkit. So this is going to be a product review video. So let's get into it and let me show you everything that this product comes with. So you have your 21 volt drill right here. So this is a great drill because it has the screw, the drill, and a hammer feature. You're able to adjust the tension right here. It goes all the way up to 25. It has a light. It also has like a little level so you can make sure that you're drilling nice and straight. Screw nice and straight. It comes with the Phillips and the flatheads screwdrivers right here. You can set the different speeds. Very cool. It has this AC and DC tester. It has two 21 volt batteries, hammer, wrench, pliers, electrical tape, saw or sockets, your flathead, Phillips, socket, measuring tape, anchors, your drill bits, even these to put on your screwdriver, mini screwdrivers, extra blades, and a knife right there. So let me show you how easy it is to set it up. So you have your battery. Yeah, right here. See? Has the LED light. If you want to put a drill. Now I'm ready to drill. So you can drill easily with this. Go back. You got there. You can switch it out real quick. And put a screw inside here. Just grab one of these. If you want to screw this inside, very easy. Got a good hammer, heavy duty hammer. You even have your saw blade right here. Very sharp, easy to use. You can see. If you want to make bigger holes, that put it on the hammer function or the drill function. So this is a very good tool set to have. I like how everything has its own space in here, so everything stays nice and organized. So this is a very good 118 piece toolkit to have for beginners or even one professional. It's good quality, so you cannot go wrong here. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you could buy this from tiktok.com. Overall, this is a great 118 piece toolkit. I like how powerful that the drill is, and I like how it comes with all these different accessories. So this is an all-in-one kit to have when you're starting out. The battery life on the drill is very strong and it lasts a long time.